What's up, guys? Today we're gonna have a really nice video. Today we're gonna have intake noises of the F30 335i. Today I will be putting the GoPro on the front bumper of the car with the GoPro mount, and you'll just be hearing intake noises whenever I floor it, or I just want to hear the boost to build up, obviously. And that's mostly what the video is going to be about, so there's not going to be much talking at all, if at all. It's just going to be more noise from the front of the car where the turbo is close to it and the intake. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right to this video. Now that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these amazing, beautiful intake noises that come out of this car on a stock intake, if you can believe that. It's still stock intake, just has a catless downpipe and a upgraded intercooler and performance exhaust. That's about it. Can't wait till I get the intake so I can show you guys the actual noise that comes out. But that intake's $700. Gotta save up for that. And if you guys would please subscribe, like, comment, it would really help me out to help me get that intake, and I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.